What's going on, everybody? Um, this is my first time making a YouTube short that's 3 minutes long or whatever. So we're going to have to zoom in on here because YouTube requires these videos to be vertical, right? Now, this is a simple sell model. These are some of the best trades that I take, the easiest, most simple trades that I can identify on my charts, okay? Now, we're looking at, let's say, a 15-minute time frame, but this here in this corner is what these 2 days would look like if we were looking at the daily charts, right? And you can see that both of these candles have wicks on one or both sides, okay? Which is a basic fact of the market. 98% of the candles on your chart will have wicks, okay? Now, if you see, this upper wick represents the high of the day, but it also represents a portion of intraday price action that takes place above the opening price of that day, okay? So in those wicks is a lot of the times where we're going to be looking for our entries, all right? So let's just break this down, okay? You can see here, here's our day one. It says day one gives us a lower close. This could be a first red day signal near the high of the month levels, or it could just be a red day. It doesn't really matter, all right? We keep it simple. We might expect a lower close the next day as well, as it is not uncommon to see multiple consecutive days that close in the same direction. The low of day one becomes the target on day two, right? So it's not uncommon for us to see 6, 7 days that all give us higher closes, or 3 or 4 days that all give us lower closes, all right? So on day two, we come to our charts already expecting a lower close, all right, that takes out the low of day one. If this is the case, we know that we're planning to take a short trade. And if we expect a lower close, it would make sense that we want to sell anywhere above the previous day's closing price. We're looking for reversal patterns in a session timing window, all right? So we can see that this day gave us a lower close, so we might just naturally expect the next day to also give us a lower close. And if we want to sell this market, we should want to sell it anywhere above the previous day's closing price. So we're looking for this market to pump up into a session timing window, give us a reversal signal, and start to sell off. And we are targeting the previous day's low, or even a little bit just beyond that, man. So I appreciate y'all being here. Until next time, I hope you continue to free your mind.